reflection on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow. You're staring out the window. And the stars won't shine. The reason why.
We're at Wimpy getting something to eat, and we're still in Bloom. We haven't left to PE. Time it's like 4 p.m. We were supposed to leave at 1 p.m. but it's okay. It's not that deep. We're going to PE for basically Sunday because we're coming back on Monday, and we're just gonna chill, have a good time.
In the zone, you're nervous when you call. I say I'm not home. See your face, and I get my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? I wonder if you know, do you have a clue? You got me staring out the window. What's wrong with what's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy.
Okay guys, so it is let me see what time. Oh, it is quarter past 10 and we are almost in PE. We're at Meet right now. We're just stopping to stretch our legs, get some coffee. I'm having a spicy chai foamer or latte, something like that. I'm not a coffee person, so I don't even know what I'm drinking, but I will say it is good. I'm enjoying it. I would have it again. Yeah guys, I'm not exhausted, but I'm also not like energetic. I'm just okay. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to do a room tour like tonight when I get there, because I'm tired. I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow morning, but I'll just see, because I mean I might get there and be wide awake. But yeah guys, if you're enjoying this vlog so far, please do subscribe and keep on watching.
Crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as I a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your deaf, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm caught, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tools, now it's big tools, I'm really. Right now, from the side now, come on and fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Candy, what did I say now? Candy, what did I just say now?
I will wait for you.
Yes, you can see it. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Sunday and it is around 8 a.m. We just woke up. I'm just gonna accompany my mom to the car to get a few stuff, and then I'm gonna come back, shower, and we're gonna go get breakfast. But yeah guys, I had such good sleep. I enjoyed my sleep. I'm enjoying this place, and we will talk. Okay, mama, get into some. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Sunday. I just finished getting ready and we are gonna go get breakfast, take a walk by the beach, most probably come back and swim, and then we'll see what we're gonna do. Now I'm just chilling with my nephew while waiting for his mom to finish getting ready because she's looking crusty as hell. But I don't know.
Look at that shop over there.
Be chicken. Right here, I wanna repair the limb.
Look at that shop over there. Sure, it looks amazing. It's that one.
Yo guys, me, I have no shame in loving the beach. Guys, it is so hot and this weather is perfect. I'm gonna swim. I wanna get into the water. We're gonna have such a good time here. We're gonna make the most out of this one day. We're gonna make the absolute most. Why you really wanna be this way?
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. Goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, baby, long. your love.